Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run in Ready or Not. Alright, as you can see here, when we press W, it's kind of walking. Or even when we press Shift, now it's pretty slow. Alright. Now to be able to run in this game, now let's just go ahead and go to our settings right here. And options. Now go ahead over to keyboard. In here, click on interaction. Now what we're going to do in here is just go ahead and scroll down until we find the option toggle low ready. All right, as you can see here, the default button right here is space. So when we go back to the game and we press on space, as you can see, the gun lowered down. All right, it's not aiming. When you press on the left mouse button, it's not going to fire. So as you can see here, it's lowered down. Again, when we press on space, we are ready to aim. Again, space right here. It's lowered. Now, it's gonna run. As you can see, better than aiming on. Alright? As you can see here, aiming on. Aiming off. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.